pagsubok ng PLDT Home DSL ang trusted home broadband for the whole family ay may malaking sale. Mula ngayon hanggang March 6, ang PLDT Home DSL Fantastic Sale.
Family size ang bonding with Speedster Fam Plan 1299. 5 times faster at may free Wi-Fi modem pa.
Family size na ang speed, family size pa ang home data allowance na up to 50 gigabytes per month. Sobra-sobra yan para sa buong pamilya.
Pwede nyo bang i-share ang home data allowance sa smartphones ng buong pamilya at may kasama pa itong free iPhone?
Yun na nga! Kaya sugod na sa pinakamalapit na PLDT Home booth or sales and service centers nationwide, or just log on to www.pldthome.com to apply.
Lahat ng ito ay hatid ng reliable family size connection of PLDT Home DSL, the #1 home broadband.
At eto na ang inaabangan nyong Kalye Serye! One for all for one na!
Hoy! Kalye Serye na! Mga lola, Padzo! Hoy!
Pasok, mga lola! Wow!
Handa ka na, La? Eh, may humahamon sa'yo, La, eh.
Sige.
May hangover pa kami ng modeling.
Hindi ka pa nakaget over, Tidora?
Oo eh.
Paano ni Rampa?
Saan ka ba hindi nakaka-get over?
Sa modeling.
Nung Sabado?
Sandali lang, ate.
Ano?
Bakit ganyan ang uso mo? Kumain ka na naman ng butong pakwan.
Hindi, uminom ako ng suka.
Ininervyos yan.
Kinakabahan ako, namumutla ako.
Hoy, pero ang saya-sayang mag-modeling, in fairness, Nakakapagod lang kasi palit-palit ng mga damit, pero masaya.
Ganun pala yun, ano?
Oo, ang saya.
Biglang ubarang ka na lang.
Ano si Aisel? Irregular na?
With pay na ba ito?
Bayad na ba?
Regular model, ha?
Oo, regular model.
Pag-uusapan pa ng lupon.
At saka, matagal na kasi tayong hindi nakakapagsuot ng mga magagandang damit, gano'n. Wala nung nawala sa atin yung mansyon.
Kasi nga naman, ano nangyari sa atin? Kaya pa, paano tayo makakasuot ng mga gandang baro?
At saka, ang ganda-ganda natin nung Sabado, ano?
Magaling yung makeup artist natin.
Ang bilis.
Pero
Tsaka magaling yung mga
kinakabahan.
designer.
Oo.
Magaling yung designer. Mga kaibigan niyo ni Paolo, ano?
Oo.
Bakit mo nasabi?
Kilala niya eh.
Kilala ba ni Paolo yun?
Oo daw.
Talaga.
Nakita mo ba yung mga pictures natin?
Nasaan? Patingin nga.
Oh!
Taray, Lola, oh.
Para mga manyika. Oh!
Parang budol-budol talaga. Mga budol-budol model.
Budol-budol ba?
Sayang. Maganda yan kung nakikita namin.
Hindi nyo ba kita? Kita namin dito.
Brown out dito sa amin.
Long-legged ka, Lola.
Talaga? Sinong lola?
Si Tilip. Oh, ayun pa isa, oh. Oh?
Di pa tapos, eh.
Hindi rin makaget over, oh.
Naka-post pa, eh.
Ay,
La, ba't naman ganyan yung lakad nyo?
Lasengo walk.
Ganda kaya.
Pero alam niyo kung sino ang pinakamaganda? nung
siyempre
Sabado?
ako.
Mas maganda kung patayin natin to.
Hindi.
Hinahangin yung wig ko eh.
Ang pinakamaganda nung Sabado.
Ako!
Ano ba kayo? Siyempre, ang apo nating si Divina.
Oh.
Of course.
Oh.
At sana, mataas yung grado na nakuha niya doon sa project niya.
Ay, nako, mataas sigurado yun. Natuwa yung mga tao eh. Kaya lang si Divina baka next week pa dumating.
Talaga?
Oo.
Bakit naman?
Oh, ayan
Saan
na. Oh.
uuwi yun dito yun?
Lola!
Ay, ba, masaya, masaya.
Teka lang.
Lola!
Ah. kumusta? Ang saya mo yata.
Ay, syempre naman po, Lola. Ang taas po kasi nung grade na binigay sa akin ni Ma'am. Tingnan niyo po. 1 yan, oh.
Ano, tinaas niya? Uno.
1.
Napakahina naman itong apo natin. Ang grade
tingnan niyo,
1.
Lola,
Ano
yun
ka
po
ba?
yung...
Yan yung pinakamataas,
Tama
uno.
po.
Yung ba yun?
Oo.
Lola, 1. Salamat, Lola.
Oo nga,
Yes.
congratulations,
Congrats,
Apo.
Iha.
Salamat po. Salamat
Ganun ba
po.
ang mga grado ngayon?
Bakit ikaw, Lola Tinidora? Ano bang grade mo?
Eh di matalino pala ako nung araw.
Bakit?
Ano?
Ano ba mga grades mo noon?
0.
Mas mataas sa uno yon.
Oh, di ba?
Kasi mas nauna yun sa uno.
Siyempre, di mas matalino ako nung bata ako.
Eh, Lola, salamat po kasi tinulungan niyo ako, ha? 1.
Oo nga.
Ay, teka, Lola, ba't ang putla niyo po?
Divina, congratulations. Congratulations. Ay,
Ay, Alden, salamat! Salamat din sa'yo, ha, kasi tinulungan mo ako.
you're welcome. Naku, si Lola nakalimutan mag-lipstick.
Kaya nga, ito lalagyan ko lang.
Okay na.
Lola, ang pangit mo pag wala.
Pinapakain mo na hagid yun eh.
Ayan, ang ganda naman ni Lola ko.
Congrats, Divina. Ikaw talaga yon. Ikaw nag-isip nun. Ikaw
Ay.
nag-conceptualize. Kaya you deserve the grade. Congratulations.
Salamat. Pero kasi tinulungan mo ako, tinulungan niyo ako nila Lola, tsaka ng mga Dabber Cats dyan.
Oo
Kaya
naman.
pakisabi sa kanila salamat din.
Yes, of course. Sige. Walang
Salamat
problema.
daw.
Salamat.
Pero ikaw talaga yung Sabado, ha?
Ano?
May paghubad-hubad na nagaganap.
Ay, pero ikaw hinagis mo sa akin yung suot mo, ah.
Hindi ako ready.
May choice ka doon. Oh.
Hindi ako ready.
Pero bagay kayo,
Ay,
Thank you, Lola.
Sa totoong buhay lang,
Oo,
Talaga
lalo na
ba?
nung rumampa na sila, no?
Oo, bagay kayo. Kahit nakapang-kasal, nakapang-summer outlook.
May kulang lang
ano,
Ano?
po?
Ano?
yung outing.
Teka, may tanong si Joey. Ano yung summer outlook la?
Ano
Yung
po?
naka-summer sila.
Baka summer look po.
Walang out.
nasa labas eh.
Kaya nga sinasabi ko.
Nasa labas ka.
Lumabas sila eh.
Ayan, oh.
Ayan, oh.
Siyempre,
Oh.
susuot mo yan sa labas, kaya
Oh,
out.
una kasi nasa loob, lumabas, kaya outlook.
Salamat sa impormasyon la.
Okay.
May kulang lang.
Ano
Nakapang-summer
po, Lola?
tayo, kulang ng beach.
Lola naman eh.
Kulang ng dagat. No.
Gusto mo mag-outing, ha?
Gusto mo magkalibo,
Gusto mo lumayo, ha?
Gusto mo magburaka,
Ay, balitaan mo kami pag nag-outing kayo, ha?
Gusto mo lumayo, ba't di ka maglayas?
Sendan mo kami mga picture, ha?
Natake ako ng ayuman.
Marami malapit na beach dito sa Maynila. Wala tayong lumayo.
Lolas, Divina, di ba sabi niyo po, masaya kayo kanina? Masaya, at saka ngayon, masaya po kayo, di ba?
Oo, masaya
eto,
kami.
nako, mas magiging happy po kayo kasi meron po tayong bisita.
Ay, nako, hindi kami
Lola, wala pa po.
Alden, hindi kami tumatagap ng bisita pag
Nako,
Lunes.
Lola, iba to. Iba to.
Malamang,
Sabi nga ni Kuya Pao, iba to.
kayo lang ang masaya dyan kasi nandyan yung bisita nyo.
Ay, hindi. Pero ito po, Lola, may hinanda po kasi siya para sa inyo at para sa lahat ng Dabber Cats natin.
Ayan, may pamirienda.
Dito.
Ay, nako, chef yan. Chef yan.
Ay, hindi. Hindi naman, Lola. Ito na po, ha?
Pansit.
Nako,
Hindi ako
live na
nakain
live.
ng adobo, ha?
Opo, dito sa Eat Bulaga, ito na po ang American recording artist and record producer. Mga Dabber Cats, Lolas, Divina, ito na si Darwin!
They can imitate you, they can't duplicate you. 'Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like it's wrong. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like it's wrong. They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you. 'Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like it's wrong. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like.
What you gonna do with that dessert?
Do what, eat that, do that.
What do that, eat that, do that.
I said do what, eat that, do that.
Kaya ni ate yan. Go, ate!
In the top. Are you saving that dessert for me? 'Cause if you are, baby, you know you can work for me. The way you do it comes from jealousy, but you never gotta worry about the enemy. They try to do it like you, and they get mad 'cause they don't do it successfully. They try to copy your moves, but they don't ever ever do it that tastefully. They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you. 'Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long. I'm addicted like a drug. I want it all day long. I'm addicted like a drug. They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you. 'Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long. I'm addicted like a drug. I want it all day long. I'm addicted like.
What you gonna do with that dessert?
Do what, eat that, eat that, eat that.
Do what, do that, eat that, do that, eat that.
Do what, eat that, eat that, eat that.
Do that, do what, eat that. Do what, do that, eat that, eat that, eat that. Do what, do that, eat that, eat that, eat that.
Do what, eat that, eat that.
Murder that, dance slow, dance slow. What you gonna do with that dessert?
Are you saving that dessert for me? 'Cause if you are, baby, you know you can work for me. The way you do it comes from jealousy, but you don't ever gotta worry about the enemy. They try to do it like you, and they get mad 'cause they don't do it successfully. They try to copy your moves, but they don't ever ever do it that tastefully. They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you. 'Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long. I want it all day long. Say, what you gonna do?
With that dessert.
Thank you so much, Dabber Cats. How you doing?
Yeah.
Mga Dabber Cats, please welcome Darwin! Ito na. Nag-split na to. Okay. Ayan, Darwin, won't you greet your fans here in the Broadway?
Definitely. I want to thank everybody here. Thank you so much for coming. Mabuhay.
And Darwin, I would like you to meet, of course, our Dabber Cats here in the studio. That's Tito Joey. Tito Joey, that's Miss Alan K.
Nice to meet you.
Miss Alan K, yes. And Kuya Ryan Agoncillo. Yes.
Thank you so much for having me today.
All right, and in the barangay, there, I would like you to meet Lola Nidora. Lola, there.
Darwin, what's up,
What's
my
up,
man?
What's up, Lola? How you doing?
Welcome to the Philippines.
Thank you for having me. Are you ready for the showdown?
No problem. I'm ready always.
I like
Yes,
that.
and there, that's Lola Tidora. There's Lola Tidora there. Yes, and Lola Tidora beside her. Yan.
Is it like this?
Yes, the pabebe wave. Yes. And of course, I would like you to meet Divina Ursula Bokboko Basmas.
Hi,
That's Yaya
Dawit.
Dab.
It's nice to see you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good, you.
I'm great.
Hope you're having fun.
I love it here.
Yes. So,
Alden,
Lola-
ako pa.
This also our sister.
Lola Tinidora, sabi ko po.
Oh, it's three.
That's Lola Tinidora.
Yeah. Tinodar.
Theodora.
Ito pa lang. Ako wala pa.
We're triplets.
Na-introduce ko naman, Lola, kayo. Hindi niyo po narinig. Sabi ko, Lola Tinidora, right there.
Tidora lang, Alden.
Lola naman.
Hi.
Yeah, there.
How
How's
are you?
life? Hey, Darwin.
Darwin.
Hey, Darwin, come on, baby.
Are you saving that dessert for me?
Yeah, I have a dessert a lot. What you mean? We have
Three of you.
champurrado here.
Darwin,
What's
when
up?
did you arrive here in the Philippines?
I got here yesterday.
Oh,
Yesterday morning.
Is it your first time here?
No, this is my second time here.
Oh, so how do you find the Filipino people? Did you find it?
Oh, yeah. They're very kind. I actually it feels like home to me. Everyone's so kind and polite. I really appreciate the beautiful people here. Thank you so much.
Beautiful daw tayo.
Yeah, we're so beautiful, Darwin.
Very beautiful.
I have to ask you some question, Darwin.
Yes.
What is the nationality? The word is picha, 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 picha. What is the nationality is that?
Chipmunk. I think that's the best I can do. Chipmunk. Do what? Do what? Eat that? Oh, who's that?
Darwin. Many Filipinos love your music.
I really appreciate
And we
it.
want to hear more from you.
Oh, thank you. Salamat sa suporta.
Yes.
Walang problema.
And you know what? You know what, Darwin?
What?
Yes.
What?
What you gonna do?
Chupa,
Darwin, I
chupa,
would like you
nick,
to meet, there, one of your biggest fans here in Broadway.
Hello.
This is Baby... Oh, yeah. He likes to do it with you. This is Baby Baste.
Oh, I've been dying to meet you.
Baste.
Do it kayo.
Music Maestro!
Alright.
Okay.
They can't duplicate you. Choose something special. Makes me wanna taste you.
I want it all day long.
Music they like to song.
I want it all day long.
Music they like. Masagot, different than dessert.
Hey, Darwin, where's the backup?
I like that.
Lola, nagpahinga na po, Lola.
Ano ba?
Hey, Darwin!
Hi.
May I have a request?
Yes.
Can you do a showdown with my lolas?
Ikaw naman, masyado.
Lola, sige na po. Ayan na si Darwin.
Lola, dito na, oh.
Lola,
Is it fine
ate,
with you? Is it
kaya
fine
mo
with
yan
you?
si Darwin, no?
Is
Lola,
it
you
fine with
ready?
you?
I'm fine with that.
Okay. Lolas, please, Lolas.
Inaaya ka niyang mag-showdown sa Twitter.
Ay, correct.
What you gonna do with that dessert? Do what, do what, dee da, dee da, dee da. Do what, do da, dee da, dee da, dee da. Do what, do da, dee da, dee da, dee da. Murder that dance hall. Make, murder that, make, murder that. Make, murder,
Turo mo, Lola. Turo mo siya.
You say me that deserve for me, cause if you want, baby, you know you can work for me.
Your turn
You
now.
do it causing
Your turn,
jealousy,
Darwin.
but
Come
you
on.
don't ever gotta worry about the enemy. They try to do it like you, and they get mad cause they don't do it successfully. They try to copy your moves, but they don't ever ever do it that tastefully. They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you. Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long. I'm addicted like a drug. I want it all day long. Let me see what you got, Lola. I'm addicted like it's wrong. They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you. Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long. I'm addicted like it's wrong. I want it all day long. I'm addicted like it's wrong.
1, 2. Hey! Ano sabi mo?
I like that.
Hey, Darwin, I would like you to try some of our
Thank you,
Filipino
Darwin.
food.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Lola. I actually want to learn your moves, if that's okay.
Yeah. Here you go. We have puto. That's what? Rice cake with cheese. We have halo-halo, sago gulaman, and manggang hinog.
Where's the isaw?
What do you want to try? You know, any?
This
just
looks
one.
so tasty.
Yeah.
I think the sweetest thing here is the mango.
Yeah. So here you go.
Yes.
I would love to try the mango.
Just get one.
Philippine mango. Let's see what it's like.
Isaw-saw mo sa bagoong.
You guys cut this up for me?
Tinikman nyo ba? Baka hindi matamis, ha?
Ah,
Baka sabit yan, ha?
How do you find it?
amazing.
How was it?
Amazing.
Best mango I've had. Very sweet.
Amazing is English for maasim. Maasim. Parang
Yes.
maasim.
Manggang kalburo.
Amazing. Maasim. Parang maasim, ah.
Miss A, meron ka ba message kay Darwin, Miss A?
Ha? Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Darwin, welcome to the Philippines. Welcome to Eat Bulaga.
Thank you for having
And
me.
all the nation would like to send all their love to you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Alden Nation. I appreciate your support. I'm happy to be here. Thank you for supporting Dessert.
But wait,
Are you
Darwin.
doing any concert?
Yes.
Darwin in the Philippines?
Yes, I am. I'm actually doing a concert today at Robinson's Galleria, Ortega's activity area. So I would love for all of you to come out here, and it would make my day.
What time is that?
It's at 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
Yeah, I'm also doing one
Robinson's
tomorrow,
Galleria.
March 1st, Tuesday, 6 p.m. at Robinson's Metro East activity area. And also, I want to let you guys know that Dessert is available for download on Spinner and iTunes. You can also stream it on Spotify and Apple Music. For more details, follow MCA Music on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Oh, Darwin.
What's up?
Here in the Philippines, when we have visitors, we give gifts or surprises. And for you, we have a special surprise.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Alden, bring out the surprise.
Oh,
This is it, Darwin. Listen to this, ha? This is our surprise for you. We would like to congratulate you for...
What's that?
I'd like to... This plaque of
What is-
Darwin Platinum in the Philippines.
What is
Music Philippines to Darwin in recognition of the outstanding digital sales performance for the single Dessert.
Wow.
Selling more than 15,000 adjusted units given this March 2016 Manila, Philippines.
Thank you guys so much.
Congratulations.
It wouldn't be possible without all of you. Thank you so much for allowing this to happen, and it means a lot. This is home for me.
Yes. Congratulations, Darwin.
Thank you.
Dessert is really a big hit here.
Oh,
You know?
thanks to you guys. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're
very,
welcome.
Very thankful.
What you gonna do
Platinum.
with your dessert? Do what, do what, do that, do that, do that. Do what, do that, do that, do that. Do what, do that, do that, do that. Murder that, murder that, dance. Murder,
Are you saving that as
Magazine.
Darwin, do you know any Tagalog songs? Have you learned any since this is your second time here?
I haven't learned any. I've been wanting to though.
Like any Tagalog songs or Tagalog phrases, you know?
Tagalog phrases. The one that I've learned is kamusta,
Yeah.
mabuhay. There's a few more. They don't come to me. I would love to learn some.
You want me to teach you some?
Yeah, I would love to learn some.
You know how to say I love you in Filipino?
I'll
W.
It's mahal kita. Mahal kita.
Mahal kita. Yes. Mahal kita.
But here in Calisari, we say I love you in a different way. We
Oh.
say
I'll dub you. I know that one.
Yeah, oh, he knows.
I'll dub you.
And maal din kita.
Maal din.
Maal din kita.
Maal din kita.
Actually, we
say
have
it
a
right?
song for I'll dub you, maal din kita. It's actually... You wanna learn the song?
I would like to.
So, it goes like this.
I'll love you, maal din kita. I'll love you, maal din kita. Isang wave mo lang, buong mundo'y mapapasaya. I'll love you, maal din kita. I'll love you, maal din kita. Mula apari hanggang mulo, I'll love you forever.
Yeah, siya naman.
You wanna try it yourself?
I'll love you.
I like that.
Yeah, can you sing some of the lines? Like,
I'll love you, mahal din kita.
Yes.
I'll love you, mahal din kita. I'll love you, mahal din kita. Alright.
Very good.
How'd I do? Thank you so much. I like learning this.
Very good.
Thank you so much, Darwin, for visiting the Philippines, and any final message to your fans out there. Just continuing supporting your songs.
Yes. I want to thank all of you once again for allowing me to be here. It's a pleasure. Like I said before, it wouldn't be possible without you. Salamat sa suporta once again. What you gonna do with that dessert?
All right, round number cards.
Darwin, thank you for coming.
Hope to see you again. Hope to see you again.
Hope to see
see you again also. Thank you so much for having me.
You know, Darwin, Divina will be celebrating her birthday on March 5, this Saturday.
This Saturday.
Nice. March 5.
March 5th, yeah.
Nice. Are
I
there
hope
any...
you could come, though.
Really? March 5th. Are there any birthday wishes you have?
Any birthday wish for
wishes.
Divina? Darwin, any messages for her?
Well, I want to wish you the best birthday possible. You're already surrounded by beautiful people, so it can only go well. And hopefully I can sing for you that day.
Yes, me too. And I hope to meet you soon.
I would hope to meet you also.
Pero Lola, malapit na po yung birthday ko. 5 days na lang.
Ikaw, Divina, ano bang birthday wish mo?
Ito na nga, simple lang naman kasi yung gusto ko. Ang
Ano
gusto
yan?
ko lang naman, Lola, sana po sa birthday ko,
Inaabot pa ng truck yun. Pati si Dawi naka-freeze. Pambihira. Radio Dawi! Ay, nako. Wala, naka-freeze eh. Oh, geng-geng naman. Geng-geng. Oh, geng-geng. Geng-geng.
Opo. Darwin, nagpunta si Darwin. Tapos kumanta, sing, Darwin, sing, what you got, you got to do dessert. Magaling, congratulations, Darwin. Ako si Ate Gingging. Si Divina, invite yourself here, okay?
Thank you so much.
And you know what, Darwin?
Darwin Gingging. Darwin.
Oko, you know what, Lawin?
Darwin.
It's Darwin.
Darwin, you know what, Darwin? Here in Calisere, the people is very, very hospitable. Lola always in PGH. This one in Medical City.
Hospital naman yon.
Ano ba?
Hospitable.
Pero very happy ang pasya si Lola nakipag-showdown kay Darwin. Tuwan-tuwa ang lahat at may pinulong si Aya sa kanyang birthday sa Sabado. Ano kaya ito? Mas masaya ito kung kasama natin ang O+ Ultra Series. At nandyan din ang Lapasita Biscuit. At hindi mawawala ang Minola Coconut Cooking Oil. Nescafe TN1 Original Twin Pack. Mga kaibigan, ano kaya ang binubulong ni Yaya? Inabot pa ng pagdaan ng truck ng basura. Hindi tuloy nabulong. Bumusina. Abangan natin bukas. Dito lang yan sa Kalye Serye. Ito po si Ate Gingging para sa Kalye Tibot.
Kasawa ni...
Bobot.
Okay, maraming salamat sa mga dapat natin dyan sa Barangay Dalapas, Pasig City. Uy!
At eto na, alamin na natin ang panalo sa Just Do It. Dabar Cats!
Denise, happy birthday!
Thank you, Darwin! Thanks, Darwin!